Kaorin Icon Pack is an Android application designed to customize the appearance of a user's device through a stylish collection of app icons. This icon pack features an artistic and colorful design, offering a modern aesthetic that enhances the overall look and feel of the device's user interface. The app typically includes thousands of high-definition icons that cover a wide range of applications, ensuring compatibility with various Android launchers. Users can easily apply these icons to their home screens and app drawers, allowing for a personalized and cohesive visual experience. In addition to icons, Kaorin Icon Pack often comes with matching wallpapers and thematic elements that complement the icon designs, creating a unified style across the entire device. Regular updates may be provided to add new icons and features, keeping the collection fresh and engaging. Overall, Kaorin Icon Pack is ideal for users seeking a unique and visually appealing way to enhance their Android experience.